I'm going to be flying all planes in infinite flight, starting off with Boeing. Let's do this. Landing all planes with Boeing first and starting off with the 717. It's not my weirdest plane to fly, but it's not weird. I like how it looks. The texture is nice. Time to land. It's butter, but we bounce a bit. Alright, that's a butter there. And the reverse thrust is kind of satisfying. Maybe if you put a bit more thrust there. Right. Now time for the 737. Let's go with United. Alright, let's go. Short final. Right. Pretty nice, I see. Nice, pretty nice. I know it's kind of a bit bouncy a bit. It's definitely worth it. Alright. Hard one. But it's not a butter, I know it's harder than this. Right there. Before I do that, let's make sure it's on the runway. Now let's do it. Siamana. Let's go. Okay. Let's land it. Yamana. Okay, don't tell me. Let's try it again. Alright. No. Perfect. Make it perfect. Yeah. Smooth. I smooth it like a buttery landed. Now, let's try the long one with Aeroflot. Oh, why is it over there? Short final. The texture is nice. Alright, let's land this. I'm trying to land. Alright, that looks like butter. Yay, butter landing. Smooth and good like butter. Now 747. Alright. This is a bit big, but I agree. Looks like so big right now. What is this? Oh, come on, give it a land. Give me a butter. Give me a butter. Yeah! That's a butter. There's a butter. Right. Time for the 47400. Now for 747-400. We're at 4 minutes in the game, bruh. 4 minutes into the video. Until this plane won't land. Stall now. Who here still remembers Kaita Airport? And the grass is okay. That's not it. It's a hot one. Now let's try I'm not gonna try both of these. Let's just skip to the 757 US Airways. Woo! Time to land now. Alright. It's a bit hard to land with this plane because it keeps banking right. That time is soon, so that is quite good. 6-7, Air Canada. Come on! I was trying to read. Why is the back landing gear like A300? But it's okay, I agree. Infinite flight, if you see this, can you fix it? Alright, oh! The bounce there. Land over there. Oh, smooth one! Smooth! The infinite flight, can you put the back gear like down of the 767? Now time for the 7777. I'm gonna do this, skip off that. Alright, the pilot. I'm trying to read. Aeroflot, let's see how does Aeroflot does landing. So, a bounce. A smooth one! What is this smooth one? A smooth one. A buttery landing. 787. Excuse me. Oh, that. Oh no, we're going down. No. 787. Boeing's edition is so good. Yeah, butter. Oh. Time to do the US Air Force One. Let's do this. This one landing it. Land the plane. Oh, it's the butter! Woohoo! Right. And stop. And we're done. Bonus. It's bonus, not bonus. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.